Nicholas, please have it if you need.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Wrappers on your left, there is a dustbin, you can keep it there. And I also have a provision of normal pack water bottle complimentary from my side. During that, if you need water, please ask for it and enjoy your ride. And any music preference you have?
Yeah.
You're from Denmark. Because at the moment you wrote that word, I'll be there. So I just checked into Google Translator. So it said the meaning is
Yeah, Danish and Norwegian.
commerce tracks. So you just wrote commerce tracks.
Yeah.
So if I translate it, is B right there. So I just looked in the chat GPT the meaning. It was saying 2 gig did with like something. So I didn't reply, but I replied you in English. So that is why.
Yeah.
I was just checking.
No, the app works really nicely.
Yes, absolutely.
So I was actually afraid you were waiting on that.
No, I went there only. But later I checked with the guard that which is the main exit gate. So he told me that staff usually come from this gate. So I just park my vehicle here itself. And you being a foreigner, and you were walking there, so I just I realized, okay, you are the one. Probably you are the one. Yes, I am. Thank you. He's taking a wrong side and creating a chaos on the road.
That's not very popular. So he went against?
Yes, that's a way to come in. So from that way he's looking an out option. So this is the way out. Probably he's having an appointment with the Prime Minister now. So that is why he's in hassle bustle.
I don't think the other chauffeurs mind. I don't care.
So you're flying back to Denmark?
Back to Denmark on Sunday.
Oh, Sunday leaving. Probably Tuesday I have clients coming from Australia.
Oh, okay, you have regulars.
Yes, recently I've hosted a Spaniard and 2 people from Hungary also.
You hosted, so not only driving, but...
Yes, like I drove them to...
They book you as a chauffeur?
Yes, chauffeur. Yes, I took them to Jaipur, then Agra, and now...
That's probably very good business compared to this trip,
Yes, so now someone has booked me from Australia, so across globe people know me because my reels are getting viral.
So I'm driving with a famous chauffeur. What's your handle? I see it.
Yes, they are Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So for Instagram it is 4LI. Charlie or 4Lee. So basically Charlie, if number 4, if you read it in Hindi, it is Char. And I've taken this name from my daughter's name. So I'm a father of 2 daughters. And thank you. So the elder one daughter name is Charvi. So that Char, Hindi word I've taken from that, Charvi. And the younger one is Monali. Yeah. Then last 2 words Li I've taken from her name. So that makes 4LI or Charlie Travel Services.
Very good.
Thank you.
The app is incredibly precise on predicting arrival time.
Absolutely.
It's actually quite surprising considering the amount of traffic. But it's predictably busy, I guess.
Thank you, Nicholas. Take care. Good time ahead. Be safe. And with your consent, can I put the clippings on my Insta page if you're comfortable?
Absolutely. I'm following you, so I will complain if I don't agree.
Thank you, Nicholas. Take care. Good time ahead. Be safe. Bye.
Bye-bye. Drive safely.
Thank you.